Hello, so let's add the icon to the end of the video. So I'm at the end in the main composition, and you would like to add YouTube in here. So I will unshade all the layers and scroll down a bit, and here you can see these two layers are the last ones. Social media icon number 2, that's the Twitter icon, and the 27 your blah 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 blah, that's basically this text. So if I move it, you can see that it's moving, right? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna right click to the layer and reveal this in the project. And what I want to do with this is to duplicate it. So basically, as first what I can do is select both layers, press Command D or Control D if you're on the Windows, and now I can move these layers up. I can do this with Command and right bracket key, or Control right bracket key if you are on Windows. You can see it's moving, so I can place it right here. Now I have two layers, so I will just move it down. So right now I have basically three layers here, and actually this third layer is a duplicate of this one. So if I will change this one, you will see the change also in the second one. So what I want to do is make a duplicate of it and then replace it. So once again, I will right click the social media icon, reveal the source in the project, and I will duplicate it with pressing Command D or Control D if you are on the Windows. So having this layer selected in the main timeline, I will press Alt or the Option if you're on the Mac and click and drag it on the layer. Right now you cannot see any change, but if I will now change the content of this composition, you will see that it will change also in the main timeline. I will do exactly the same thing with the text layer. I will right click. You can see that it's this one, right? I'm moving, pressing the arrows. So right click, reveal the source in the project. It's this one, so I will press Command D to duplicate it. And now having the layer selected, hold Alt or Option key and click and drag on the layer. So now, if you will double click into the layer, you can see the Twitter icon, and you want to YouTube. So guess what? The icon is already there. So open the media folder and the social media icons folder, and select the YouTube icon. Click to the Twitter layer PNG. Having it selected, do it once again, hold Alt or Option key and click and drag on the layer. This will replace the layer with the YouTube. So right now when you close this one and this one, you can see in the main composition, if you click somewhere else, for example here, that the icon has changed to YouTube. And you can change the content of the text layer in here the same way. So it's this layer. I can move it so you can see it's with this layer. I just double click to edit it, and you can change it to youtube.com bracket your channel. Command Enter. Now I can press V and close this comp, and you can see that you have 3 comps. What I can do to improve it, because I don't want, now I can see the mistake in here. this is not what we want. So I will zoom in a bit. I will also move it forward, so it's like this, and I will reveal all keyframes for the icon, and that's, yeah, I will reveal all the keyframes with pressing the U. And well, what I want to do is yeah, when I have moved it, I have messed it a bit, so I have added a keyframe. If you look at the original one, whoops, it should be something like this, right? So, well, let's delete these keyframes. Oops. And select position keyframes for the YouTube layer. Press J if you are here to go to the nearest keyframe. If you are, for example, on the left side, press K, and you have to press it multiple times, so you can make sure that you are on the keyframe. So you want to be in this one and have these two keyframes selected and move it a bit down, right? Something around here. Yeah, and this is what we want. So if I will zoom out and scroll, this is the behavior we wanted. Great, so now as you look at it, you have the 3 layers you wanted, and I guess this is all. So I hope this tutorial helped you to achieve what you want, and if you have any problems with it, just let me know. So thank you for watching and have a great day.